Okay, look, you're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. The first win came against Burnley and was followed by strong celebrations. Was it more of a relief to get that first win of the season or something else?
Yeah, I think a mixture of both. I think, of course, the relief to get the win. We obviously know how important the game was to get 3 points. But also, I think a last-minute winner is always nice, and the feeling's always so good. I think, a lot of people spoke about how we celebrated the goal, the game, but I think any team in the last minute scoring in the last minute would be exactly the same.
You are part of the Manchester United squad since 2014 and you witnessed 11 years of change in the United shirt. What was maybe the most significant one for you personally?
The most significant one? I've not really got one that I can pinpoint. I think there's been a lot of ups and downs, but I think the one that's really important, and that's right now, I think the way the manager has set the culture, the environment, the way we feel as a team inside Carrington is one of the best I've been around, and that's obviously all credit to the manager and the way he's dealt with that. And I think there's real positive signs and a real good energy and happiness around Carrington, and we need to keep that feeling.
And you are now in the 14th season of your professional career. How do you feel? Healthy, fit, ready to go?
Yeah, I'm feeling old now. You just said that, but now I feel really good. Really happy with how I'm feeling at the moment. I feel physically very strong, very motivated. I feel like I've still got a lot of things that I want to achieve, especially here. So yeah, I'm feeling really positive.
And after these couple of games, how's the atmosphere in the locker room with all the new guys coming, with all the veterans?
Yeah, good. And I think the atmosphere is always good after a win. So of course our last game was a win, so things were very positive. The new guys have settled in really well. They bring a lot of good energy to not just quality, but of course they're really good people with big mentalities that want to win. So that always helps, and for us, we've made them settle in and made them feel at home.
Our fellow Slovenian forward, Benjamina Šeška, joined the squad this summer. What is your opinion of him?
He's an extremely top player. He's got a lot of talent. He's still young, but I think he's going to be an extremely important player for Man United, not just for the future, but I think now I feel like he'll play a massive part in our squad this season. And he's looked really good, so we'll keep on pushing him day in, day out, and getting him reaching the levels that we know he can reach.
Around Manchester United there is always a lot of noise. How do you keep that noise away from the squad, from the pitch, and keeping your focus firmly on the game?
Yeah, I think for me I've had a lot of experience on it. I've been here a long time, so I know how to sort of deal with that, and I can kind of give my experiences and help other people to be able to deal with that. But the simple thing is just to ignore everything. You don't need to look at what's being said on social media, what people are saying on the telly. I think it's kind of easy, but of course we all know what social media is nowadays. It's hard not to see things, but for me, the most important thing is for us to keep that, to keep the culture and the environment a happy place here, so everyone can just, when they come into training, they can feel themselves, be themselves, and be happy, and you know, with that comes confidence, and confidence on the pitch is one of the most important things.
Ruben Amorim has also brought his own playing style to the squad now. What is your relationship with him?
Yeah, my relationship with the boss is really strong, really good. I'm really enjoying playing under him, really enjoying the formation and what he brings. And long may that continue. I think, yeah, we have a really positive relationship. He pushes me a lot, and I feel like, you know, he can really get the best out of me.
In your career, is there maybe a coach or a player that made a special impact on you, with some advice or just by their presence that left a special mark?
I don't know, that's, yeah, of course. You know, I think every manager is different. Every manager brings their own, their own tactical way of things they see and how they approach, you know, different things. But of course, players as well. I've played with, you know, some amazing players, and of course I can't not mention the presence of Cristiano. I think me as a player and all the lads inside the dressing room, we learned so much from him. It was an unbelievable experience to be able to play with him and to see day in, day out on how he lives his life. And, you know, for me there was, you know, you could see why he was one of the best players in the world for a long period of time, for the way he trains, the way he looks after himself, he recovers the right way, everything. It was a real honour to be able to play with him and you know, learn a lot from him.
Thank you so much for your time, Luke, and good luck.
Thank you.